Alright, what's going on everyone? Welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be a real quick one, so please ignore how I look right now. I basically just got out of the gym. So I'm going to be showing you how to turn off the LDA. And what the LDA is Toyota's Lane Departure Assist. Now in most modern Toyotas, there's normally an LDA button present on the steering wheel, which isn't present here on the GR Corolla. But there is a way to turn it off completely. Normally you would just hold the button for a few seconds and it would completely turn off. But with the GR Corolla, you're going to have to go within the settings and turn it off manually through all the settings. Now, why would you want the lane departure assist off, mind you? For most average drivers, it probably isn't that big of a deal. But like with me, and the roads I drive on, it basically senses the two lines going down the road you're on. And if you veer too close to it, it kind of like fights you and jerks you back a little bit. And I just don't like that feeling from the steering wheel. So we're going to be turning it off. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is get your car into like the on screen or accessories mode. It doesn't have to be completely on, just kind of like right there. Ignore that setting. So what you're going to want to do after that is you're going to want to hit this OK, or not hit, but hold the OK button for a few seconds until you're able to select your menu on the screen. Then you want to go to settings, hit the OK, and right there, first thing you see is the LDA. So you're going to want to hold the OK button, and then right there, just got to kind of click it on and off. I have it off, and once you set it off, it won't turn back on until you set it back on. So it's really quick, really easy. If this warning, if I can figure out how to turn off those warnings, I'll be a very happy man. But yeah, and then right here, you can also change your, what is it? Meter settings. Right there, meter type. So this is a question that I actually got asked, was how do I change the sports mode into like the F1 style bar. When it came from factory, it was just set on this one right here. So it's just basically constantly the round tachometer. And then also, oh my gosh. So if somebody knows how to turn that off, please let me know in the comments down below. So if you want the bar to change to the F1 style in sports mode, you just got to go and change what drive mode. If you want that sports bar on all the time, you can go ahead and just leave that on all the time. So that is another thing right there. And then this is basically your rev indicator, your rev peak, yada yada yada, trip A items. So that is how you change that is how you turn off the LDA in your new 2023 GR Corolla, and then change the tachometer when you go into sports mode, or if you just want the F1 style on all the time. So yeah guys, that is how you turn it off. I'm going to be trying to upload at least once every week, and it'll probably be on Mondays around 10 a.m. Central Standard Time, which I think turns out to be like 8 a.m. Pacific and 11 Eastern. I'm not sure, but 10 a.m. Central Standard Time on Mondays. I'm definitely going to be trying to upload one video once a week. Try to make YouTube happy and, you know, yada, yada, yada. So, yeah. Until next time, guys. Later.